Hi, my name's Dorothy, and I am your resident sugar enthusiast. That is, I absolutely love dessert, and I've been creating and sharing recipes for over 15 years. I have written 2 cookbooks, one about dessert mashups and one about cookies. I love cookies. They're my favorite things to make and my favorite things to post. I started my website in 2010 to share pie recipes because I'm crazy for crust. But then I realized I love all desserts, so I started sharing recipes for everything that I absolutely love, and cookies have probably risen to that top spot, along with brownies and cake and still pie and everything in between. My recipes are simple. I strive to keep them super simple and easy. You're not gonna find any weird random ingredients that you just can't find at your local grocery store or your local Walmart. I promise to you that all of my recipes will be accessible and easy. While the recipes that you'll see are mostly sweet, once in a while I might post a savory recipe because I do need to cook dinner too, even though I would prefer to eat dessert 7 meals a day. When I'm not making recipes or running my website, I'm probably either reading a book, listening to Taylor Swift, talking about Taylor Swift, or scrolling TikToks about Taylor Swift. I'm an OG Swiftie. I also love snuggling with my little puppy Abby, and her dog cake is one of my most popular recipes. So if you don't follow me already, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and each week you're gonna get delicious, easy desserts that your entire family will love. Happy baking!